In today's video, I'm going to teach you how much does ClickUp affiliate program pay, 2026. If you've been considering promoting ClickUp, here's the quick context you need. ClickUp is widely used because it brings tasks, docs, goals, whiteboards, chat, and automations into one place. That all-in-one approach keeps it in high demand, which matters for you as an affiliate because strong demand often translates into better conversions when you share your link with the right audience. To find the current payout, start by heading to the ClickUp website. From the homepage, look for the affiliates option. This is typically listed under partners or in the site footer. Click that to open the official affiliate page. Right on that page, you'll see the headline, Payout Information. According to the ClickUp affiliate page, the program pays up to $20. The phrase up to is important. It signals a maximum amount that depends on their qualifying action and rules. In other words, the exact amount you earn and what triggers it will be defined by their terms. So treat this as a ceiling rather than a blanket rate. Next, open the payment details section on that same affiliate page. This is where the fine print lives, and it's worth a careful read. You'll typically find the schedule for when commissions are issued, the available payout methods, and any minimum thresholds before funds are released. This section may also outline tracking and attribution windows, how refunds or chargebacks affect commissions, any regional restrictions, and the kinds of promotional methods that are or aren't allowed. Following their guidelines is crucial to avoid missed payments. Make sure you understand how your unique tracking link should be used, what disclosures are required in your content, and any limitations around paid search, brand bidding, coupons, or email marketing. Even small missteps, like using a restricted traffic source or failing to disclose affiliate relationships where required, can lead to forfeited commissions. So let the payment details and program terms be your single source of truth. To recap the essentials you need today, ClickUp is in high demand because of its robust capabilities, which can help with conversions. On the official affiliate page, the stated payout is up to $20. For the specifics that govern how you actually receive those earnings, open the payment details section and review the rules closely. Program terms and rates can change, so always rely on what's published on ClickUp's site at the time you join or promote. That's it. Simple, clear, and grounded in what ClickUp officially shares.